Hey guys, this is Miss Smith. I'm doing your word study practice D with you. And I know that you can see that there are already a couple of answers filled in, but we had an issue with the internet. So we're just going to pick back up and I'll go through and explain these before moving on to the next ones. So for number one, we have quart and gallon. So we know that more than one quart would make up a gallon. So I've chosen a quarter and dollar because you have more than one quarter to make up a dollar. On number two, we have trimester and months. We know that a trimester is made up of months, just like a book is made up of chapters. So then we have number three, we have quintuplet and we have triplet. Well, a quintuplet has 4 siblings. A triplet is going to have 2 siblings. So we're looking for things that are similar but slightly different because you're talking about siblings with all of these. This one is 5, this one is 3. So looking at these, the best choice here would be rectangle and triangle. Now I know that a rectangle is going to have 4 sides and a triangle is going to have 3, but that's the closest match to more of something and a little bit less of something, but still being similar. So if we look at number 4, we have pentagon and polygon. So looking at these, a pentagon would be a type of polygon. So my answer choices, if I'm looking at them, the best one is going to be rice and grain because rice is a type of grain. All right, next one we have trident and 3. So a trident has 3 points on it. Looking at these, I know that a duplex is made up of 2 homes. Number 6, we have trilogy and movies. Well, I know that a trilogy is a group of 3 different movies. So based on these answer choices, I know that a tricycle is a type of transportation with 3 wheels. Number 7, we have swimming and triathlon. Well, I know that swimming is part of a triathlon. It's one of the events that people would compete in. So looking at these, a classroom is going to be part of a school. Number 8, we have quadrangle and quadrilateral. So we know that those are going to be very similar. We're using synonyms here. So looking at these, I'm choosing abundant and bountiful because if something is abundant or if something is bountiful, it means you have plenty of it. There's more than enough. All right, number 9, we have pentagram and 5. Well, I know that a pentagram has 5 points. It's a star with 5 points. So looking at these, a unicycle, I know, has 1 wheel. And number 10, violin and quartet. Well, I know that a violin is often part of the quartet. So looking at these answer choices, the best option here would be an act is part of a play.